Well, thanks to Blizzard Aiden, there is no shortage of snow on the ground. The excess of the wintry weather has its downsides with back-breaking shoveling, but it also has its benefits, and folks around the area are taking the opportunity to get out and try and enjoy some of those wintertime activities.
Yeah, now that a couple of days have passed since the storm left, we certainly had the snow. Now we have some sunshine, and Fox 11's Kristen Crowley was outside today to take us inside some of the winter snowy fun.
After all of the snow blowing, salting, and shoveling, it's finally time to reap the benefits of Blizzard Aiden.
You guys ready?
And one way outdoor enthusiasts are doing that is cross-country skiing.
Oh, this is great. Winter in a day.
For many people, the sight of the blizzard brought worry and stress, but not with these skiers.
I was thinking, oh, I can't wait. I hated doing all the snow blowing I had to do at home, but once it was all done, I thought, okay, it's time to go skiing.
I loved it. I embraced it. I couldn't wait to get out there and ski.
The Reforestation Camp is a very popular place. Probably one of the most. I'll stick my neck out on that one.
Park manager John Rickaby says the blizzard kicked off cross-country skiing season here at Swamico in a big way.
We had about 40 people here last night, and I do expect to see about, well, probably several hundred people here this weekend.
And even more outdoor winter sports are on the way. Green Bay Parks employees are working this week to flood several outdoor skating rinks. Snowmobiling, sledding, and tubing down snow-filled hills isn't far behind. But for now, and for these folks, it's starting to feel like winter.
Now we'll be cross-country skiing on a regular basis every couple of days.
And enjoying all that Blizzard Aiden has left behind. In Swamico, Kristen Crowley, Fox 11 News.